The TV is often the centerpiece of the living room, influencing the entire furniture design. In small spaces, finding room for a TV unit can be challenging. A smart solution is to mount your TV directly on the wall, which frees up valuable floor space for other items. Just ensure you choose a secure mounting system that suits your TV's weight and verify the wall material, as many walls can't support heavy TVs. Modern mounting systems feature articulating arms that allow for tilting, swiveling, and rotating, providing flexible viewing angles. With many stylish cabinet ideas and mounting options available today, creating a beautiful media station has never been easier. Here are 10 TV cabinet ideas to inspire you. If you enjoy this content, consider subscribing for more. Number 10, a place for your entertainment elements. Wall-mounted TVs create a striking focal point when paired with open shelves, especially wide ones. This combination not only enhances the room's aesthetic, but also provides ample storage for various items. Choose shelves that align in size, design, material, and color with your living room decor. These shelves are perfect for organizing entertainment essentials like remote controls, DVDs, sound systems, and video games. Scattered remotes and speakers can clutter a small space, making it feel cramped and disorganized. 9. Wall-mounted bookbox idea. Another creative option is to frame your mounted TV with wall-mounted boxes. These boxes, crafted from materials like wood or stainless steel, add a stylish touch while providing practical storage. They're ideal for displaying your book collection, DVDs, speakers, and other necessities. Framing the TV with these boxes adds character to your setup and offers a place for seasonal decorations. Position the boxes on either side of the TV and, if possible, above it as well. Leaving space atop the boxes can create even more storage. 8. The floating cabinet idea. One common interior design pitfall is choosing furniture that doesn't fit the room's scale. In a small living room, it's especially important to select appropriately sized TVs and cabinets, as they can dominate the space. A minimalistic approach, such as a floating TV cabinet, can help maintain a clean and uncluttered look. Unlike bulky wall units, floating cabinets save valuable floor space while still accommodating a home theater system, decorative objects, and books. These cabinets come in a variety of styles and shapes. For example, a retro floating cabinet might feature 2 small doors on the sides along with 2 narrow open shelves, offering ample storage without overwhelming the room. 7. Transform your TV space into a working desk. Why invest in a separate computer desk when you can utilize the area beneath your mounted TV? A wall-mounted TV offers versatility, allowing you to creatively style the space around it. Instead of using this area solely for display, consider turning it into a functional workspace. Place a simple table with a stylish chair underneath the TV, and just like that, you've created a new home office. For example, a white desk with a wood top contrasts beautifully with a black chair, while white bookshelves framing the TV can hold your work files or book collection. 6. Working with lighting. Lighting is essential for enhancing the ambiance of any room. Installing multiple light sources in strategic locations can create a cozy atmosphere. In a TV room, a dimmer system lets you control the intensity of the light. For instance, when you turn on your TV, the harsh blue light from LCD screens can brighten the room too much. To mitigate this, consider alternatives to ceiling lamps, such as string lights that softly illuminate the wall above the TV, or lanterns positioned on either side. Make sure the lighting doesn't obstruct your view of the screen. Number 5. Hole in the wall. Here's another innovative idea for a small living room. Create a recessed TV unit by cutting a TV-sized hole into your wall. Once your TV is mounted, maximize creativity with wall hangings. Consider using a painting or photo as a cover, allowing you to open and close it as needed. This approach cleverly hides the TV when it's not in use, but be cautious to choose artwork that isn't too overpowering or distracting. Number 4. Fabulous corner. When placing your TV, height and distance matter significantly. Ideally, the TV should be at eye level from your viewing position. If the space doesn't allow for a centered placement, consider mounting it in a corner. This arrangement offers several benefits. It frees up floor space and allows for flexible furniture arrangements. Additionally, corner-mounted TVs can be adjusted for optimal viewing angles, providing a clean and modern look. Number 3. In-between shelves idea. Make the most of the wall space around your mounted TV by adding shelves above and below. This setup creates the illusion of a complete TV unit while offering decorative and functional benefits. The top shelves can display photo frames, knickknacks, and books, while the bottom shelves can serve as cupboards for your entertainment essentials. Matching the shelf colors to your furniture will create a cohesive look. Number 2. Innovative design. Instead of treating the entire wall as a TV unit, think creatively. A modern design can feature unique asymmetrical shelves placed beside the mounted TV. This not only enhances the room's aesthetics, but also provides versatile storage options. You can customize the shelves as open or closed depending on your needs. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. In place of a wall panel. Wall panels are an innovative way to highlight your living room. Consider embedding your TV in a central location within a decorative panel. This design choice adds a charming and modern touch that is hard to resist. Furthermore, these panels often provide additional storage behind them, making them practical as well as stylish. A single vase of flowers can complete the look, emphasizing the key theme of simplicity. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.